Yeah, hi Javed, how are you?
Hi Nitish, I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Thank you, Javed. We are here to have a quick feedback call from you. Like, as you have just completed your Python plus Ansible plus DevNet associate training, so it would be really great, like, if you can share your overall experience about the training, about the trainer, about the content, and the lab part.
Okay, first of all, I wanna say thanks to you guys. So it was a really good initiative from you. It is a future, right? Automation or automation is going to be a future of all technologies. It may be considered networking or any other technology. So you started on networking, and I'm working as a network engineer from past few years, or almost seven plus years, and it was a you know in my company also they're planning for automation a lot of things. There are a lot of teams are working on that. So I want to be a part of that, and I was searching in a it was a LinkedIn. Okay, through LinkedIn I got this about this PyNet, and it was good. I would say the content was good, and the overall course content also was good. And the trainer, right, Abhijit, he was very he used to be speak like a friend. He won't show his attitude as as a trainer, or he got the guy who knows everything. So he just treat you as a friend, and he gives you complete guidance, or whenever you ask some doubts, he's like a mentor. He used to everyone will have their own wavelength of understanding, and he used to listen to them, and he used to make them understand, until they satisfy. So it was a very good point from Abhijit, I would say. And the way he teaches is very convincing, and you can able to learn very faster. So the course length, and it was nice to learn things. But yeah, I would say.
That's good. That's good. So, and anything about the lab part for DevNet Associate? How was your experience on the lab?
So I didn't use the lab from you guys, but I was using my own labs, right? So it was good. The,
Yeah,
uh,
for
he
DevNet
was
Associate.
sharing yes, he was Abhijit was giving more, he was giving time to practice, instead of just instead of going in his flow. He used to give us time to get practice, and come with any doubts. So it was a very good experience, in that perspective as well.
That's it. So, Javed, is there anything you wanted to add about the study material as well, which we have shared with you? That is enough, or we should add something else apart from the thing which we have shared?
I'm not sure about that, because I am as I said, I'm new to this, so
Yeah.
I'm not very much aware of all those things. So whatever it is there, I can go ahead with that.
So,
And one more thing I can ask you to add. So in the training part, in a curriculum, or whatever the content you have, right? So it is mostly on networking based, or completely, I would say it is an R&S, routing and switching part. So I'm from a guy from networking background, but I'm working completely on a collaboration
okay.
devices, like Cisco Call Manager, or Cisco Finesse, Cisco Multiple. It is completely on collaboration part, not on R&S part. So from there to here, converting whatever the content, whatever the training which I got, right? So it was difficult for me. A lot of things are there, and it is straightforward, but for a collaboration device, there might be some other additional steps need to be taken. So that only one thing it was there. Otherwise, the course
Your
content.
this is the new concept or new technology for you. So you have faced little challenges while
Yeah,
learning.
yeah, yeah. Understand.
So this is
So that's the other. Apart from that, it was. I know R&S. I was previously initial of my career, initial stages, right? So I was working in R&S. So working on automation on that is fine for me, but on collaboration automation, it is new, and it is no. I mean, example, I would say taking SSH on a device, and R&S is different, and taking SSH on device on a collaboration device is different. So there is some tricky.
yeah. So that's great. So it is a new technology for everyone here. In fact, those who are working in routing and switching areas also. So this is automation is the newly launched certification, or you can say technology, as things are moving towards the automation. But we do understand this, and that's why we have designed this course in such a way where everyone can learn automation and as well as the Python from scratch. Yeah, so that's
Yeah, that yes, I understand. Yeah, that's fine. That, even no, I don't have any complaints about that. But I would say I enjoyed really. I would say I have enjoyed learning this.
that's stated. So thanks a lot, Javed, for your time and your good words. And I really hope this training is definitely going to help you out in your career. Yeah,
Yeah, sure, definitely.
thanks a lot, Javed.